संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्र प्रतीक्षा करत असलेला लोकमत महाराष्ट्रीयन ऑफ द इयर पुरस्कार सोहळा दिमाखात पार पडला। या सोहळ्यात बजाज फिनसर्व्हचे CMD संजीव बजाज यांनी बजाज उद्योग समूहाच्या यशाचं रहस्य उलगडलं। स्वतः संजीव बजाज हे पुण्यातील एका स्थानिक शाळेत शिकले, जिथे त्यांच्याच कंपनीतील कर्मचाऱ्यांची मुलं शिकत होती। लोकमत महाराष्ट्रीयन ऑफ द इयर 2025 पुरस्कार सोहळ्यात लोकमत मीडियाचे सहव्यवस्थापकीय संचालक आणि संपादकीय संचालक ऋषी दर्डा यांनी संजीव बजाज यांची विशेष मुलाखत घेतली। यामध्ये त्यांनी देशातील संधी, स्टार्टअप उद्योग, कामांचे तास यावर सविस्तर मत मांडलं। मुलांवर योग्य संस्कार होण्यासाठी काय केलं पाहिजे यावरही त्यांनी भाष्य केलं।
Sanjeev went to the same school where the kids, where the staff kids also went to the same school. He then did his engineering in Pune. That's very different from, like even at that point, there were a lot of your peers who were otherwise going abroad for undergrad. Quite a few of them even went for schooling abroad. How has that helped you, in the future while you were building the business and even in your personal life?
So, my mother was Maharashtrian, and she came from a middle class but a very educated Maharashtrian family. My father, of course, came from the background of being a freedom fighter. They were very clear that as we grow up, we must grow up in the real India as far as possible. And that's why we stayed on the factory campus. Our senior employees all lived in Pune city. Their kids went to the big schools there. We went to a local, good quality school, but a local school. My children went to that same school, a sister school right over there. Because I believe those foundation years are very important. If you get those right values, till you're 17, 18, hopefully those stay with you forever. And those values, as we all know, doesn't come by what we tell them. It's by what they see around them, what they see with us. So my kids went to birthday parties where the the birthday kid's parent was a security guard or a driver or a junior employee, and you got a packet of Budani wafers, that little white packet. If you come to Pune, you will see that one little piece of cake and one samosa. And by and large, that's what they got, maybe one more item when they came to our house for my kids' birthdays. And this is not trying to be artificial. It is trying to fit in to the society that you're with. See, it doesn't take much to get into a suit and sit over here. But it's very difficult to go to that if you've not grown up there.
उद्योग सुरू करताना आणि चालवताना काय काय ध्यानात ठेवलं पाहिजे, उद्योगात मूल्य कशी पाळली पाहिजेत याचा वस्तुपाठच यामधून त्यांनी दिला।